Hi everyone, so right now we are having the Macbeth workbook answers of your ISC textbook. So this is a textbook for ISC class 11th and 12th, and we have covered each and every question, and all these answers are 100% correct and authentic. But if you still think that there is any error in any of the questions or in any answer, just make sure to comment down and we will try to help you out in the comment section. And you can also tell us what other type of videos you want from us and that we should upload as well, just like some other subjects as well, like history, geography, and if there is any subject, just comment down and we'll try to upload them as well. So this is all of this video. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Just make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks.